Good morning, children. In yesterday's class, we have learned about games, right? The indoor games and the outdoor games. Games which can be played indoor and games which can be played outdoor. And today we'll be learning new learning plan 2, playing together or alone. If you see here, this is a hopscotch game, right? Here, the children are playing together and it is an outdoor game. And if you see the next one, this is skating and they are doing it individually. It can be an indoor game or an outdoor game. So there are games where we can play together and there are games where we can play alone, indoor and also outdoor. Let's see that. You can open the content book, page number 35. Playing together or alone. If you see the first one, chess. It is an indoor game and they are playing together. And this is cricket, outdoor game. And this is tug of war. It is an outdoor game and they're playing together. And this is football game. And this one also they're playing together and an outdoor game. So we play some games with other people. If you see here, they're playing with other. We all we call them group games. Playing together is a group game. We play some games with other people and we call them group games. This is you're playing with each other and they are called as group games. For example, cricket, chess, football, or tug of war. Okay, these are games where we are playing together. And if you see here, we have already seen skating, running or jumping, skipping, and playing with the puzzles. We can play some games on our own. We do not need any partners to play such games. For example, solving puzzles, running, jumping, or skipping and skating. So these are the games where we can play alone. But nowadays, instead of playing games, children are stuck to the phone or the video games. That's not a good thing, children. You should come out and play games with your friends. That increases competitive spirit in you to perform better. Yes? So you should play games with your friends. So today's topic is playing together or alone. We'll see the volume book for that. Look at the picture and answer. What is the game that they are playing? Same game. Football. Which game are the children playing? So right here, football. Is it a group game? Yes, they're playing with each other, right? So it's a group game. Circle the odd one out and give reasons. Cricket, football, puzzle. These two are group games and this is playing alone. So puzzle. Skipping, jumping, Ludo. Again, Ludo is the odd one out. You're planning a picnic with your friends. What kind of games would you choose to play with your friends and why? You can write your own choice of games here. It could be shuttle, it could be hide and seek, it can be cricket or football or any game that you want to play with your friends and we will be writing the reason. You can write the same thing what we have in the volume book or you can write your own games that you want to play if you are going for a picnic. Okay, so today's topic we have done children playing together or alone. I'll see you with the next topic. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.